sorry. Here's part 3 because I accidentally turned off my phone. Here's the trick that I was doing. Did you guys like it?
Look at my camera.
Wait. Hold up. Look at Baby Dino's super cool trick.
Yeah, what? Wow.
What the heck was your trick then? Bruh! LOL. LOL. Do it again. Do your trick again because you fell.
Okay, what's this shit, boys? Ready?
He's gonna fall. Hold up, look at my trick. Hi. Okay. I feel like you're gonna do the fall trick 10 more times, okay? Okay, I did not realize that was you. Wait.
What's this shit, guys? Ready, steady,
You dummy! Yeah, do a trick. Come on.
This, guys, was my video.
Let me show you my trick. Beep! Sorry, your internet disconnected. Disconnected.
What's this trick in me?
What? I see Piggy. I have to run. Hey, I'm about to die. I have to run. Because I saw my phobia. My phobia is terraphobia. Because terraphobia means I can die. I'm afraid of death. Yeah.
Can you move, Levy?
Okay. Because I'm going to make,
Watch this, guys.
there's like 10 vids of this.
Watch this, guys.
Bruh, can I show you one of my tricks? What the?
Watch this trick.
I'm sorry.
Watch this trick.
I have to turn on light so it will be lighter. Excuse me. I'm sorry, Baby Dino. But I have to do this for comments. What the heck? Why is it all blurry?
Hey! You want me to keep your face?
Oh! Yo!
Yeah, settle down.
Okay. Where's my hand spray?
Don't say yo, anybody.
I'm just looking at my hand. It's white. What the? Wait. Actually, no, not yet. Here's his.
Cool trick. Watch.
That was
Only my trick. Watch this, guys.
Hold up. I just turned the light on because it was too dark before.
Are we doing that?
No, keep it light. Keep it light. Okay, that's better. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna pause this part. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. You're going to fall. Look at the couch. Look at the couch. I swear, just look at the couch.
Watch this trick, guys.
Ooh. Jump, and then I'm gonna I can only hold it for a little bit of time. Let it out. Okay, I'm gonna relax, you guys. Peace. Okay, I'm going to show you why we had this thing here. I spilled Orbeez right here. It was a disaster. So, the entrance to get inside, you have to crawl through here and look in this pillow and say 596. Once you say that, once you say that, you can be inside here. What the heck? He tried killing me and the world's best picnic. Why am I being gotcha here right now? Bruh. What the hell are you doing? What the heck? What are you doing? I'm reading the okay. Why are you being so you're going to fall. Hold up.
Watch this, guys.
Wait! You're literally going to fall, you guys. He's gonna fall. He told you shouldn't be doing that. You are doomed. I can't.
This trick.
Okay, you're gonna fall 10 times. Like always, you're gonna fall. I'm not gonna do my name reveal because you guys already know my face, my voice. But I will not do a name reveal. Now, I'm not sharing my personality with you, but if this video gets 50,000 likes, not like subs, I will do name and age reveal.
Watch this, guys.
Okay, I promise, I really will. Okay, for now we're just gonna watch him.
Watch this, guys. Going rampant.
I'm sorry. I can make the sound of a guinea pig. Watch.
Stop it! Shut the. I don't like that shit, man. It's fucking annoying.
It's just the sound like
Hey! Okay. Back to the video. What are you doing? Why are you goofy? You're going to fall. Do a trick, and I know you're gonna fall in the trick. In the trick, you're going to fall. What? You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. What the heck? Okay, you hold this phone. You hold the phone, pointing it to me like this. So you come right here. Go right here. Hold the phone and point it this way, and it will record. Do not do anything. Watch, I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna fall.
I'm gonna fall. I did that for comments. And if this video gets 80 likes, 80K likes, I will do my age reveal.
Oh.
Actually,
So-
no, not my age reveal. A bit of my DNA.
Oh. What's a JA?
I'm not telling you, only if this video video gets
A what?
80K likes. Okay. Switch. Actually, you can keep holding the phone, and you have to keep it to the back.
What's
Reminded me of some movie.
I'm super speed.
Where the spaceship is this little kid.
When that happens, just move the phone. When I'm doing this,
See like,
you sit.
see like,